Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's November 26th, Tuesday, and nice time to be alive in crypto. Morning, Stefan. Morning, everyone. Let's start with Bitcoin on weekly chart just to see a perspective what we have. And Bitcoin on weekly chart just rejected 100k. What a surprise. Everyone is in shock. Nobody wants to trade Bitcoin anymore. I'm just joking. Come on, people. Was obvious that they will stop us at 100k. It's a big fucking important level, number. Call it whatever you want. We'll fight that level. If we fight it 69, what makes you think we'll not fight 100k? Yeah? That doesn't make Bitcoin bearish. That makes altcoins bullish. Why? Bitcoin fighting this level gives more time for altcoins to consolidate and explode. Morning, Shogun. Morning, Ivan. Morning, everyone. Well, Andrei, yeah, short, but not short as usual. Short just to hedge the spot portfolio. At least that's my plan. I discussed it yesterday in the New York session. I said yesterday in the daily plan that if I want to short, I'll short only Bitcoin and only to hedge my spot portfolio. And seeing Sailor Moon or Michael Saylor posting that he bought more Bitcoin, I know he's a local top usually. He's the stupidest guy from the smart money, let's call it that way. Yeah, but still part of the smart money. I said, well, let's hedge a little bit, and I'm still in that one. We'll get to that one when we'll discuss the lower time frame. So, being bearish here, well, I don't think is the case. Maybe it's just me, and maybe, well, Bitcoin was never designed to reach 100k. 99.600 and that's it. Lights out. See you in 4 years when we'll try again. Doesn't work that way. No? Anyway. Overall, we bought, hopefully everyone bought their Bitcoin below 20k because we had time to do that. Yeah? You can see from July 2022 until September 2023. Well, you had 1 full year to buy your Bitcoin. Who waited for 6k? Well, sorry, never happened. And you can see AB equals CD is getting to fruition, is getting at the target. Just imagine on weekly, don't ignore the higher time frame. AB, CD, it's getting there. I need to put a tool to see it? I don't think so. So this was the first wave. And this one is the second one. It's normal for Bitcoin to stop here now and say, well, let's consolidate a little bit. I think so. But problem with AB equals CD moves is that the third one, it's usually a trap. It could be explosive. We can push higher, but it's a trap. That will be the top when that will happen. So, I don't know. Decide for yourself. I'm a stupid trader. I'll play it level by level. I said here, if we'll accept above 69 is bullish, the market is strong. Repeat after me. Okay, we did that. Now we are here. I said, well, we cannot go above that level without giving it some respect. And we are consolidating. Simple as that. If we'll accept above 100k, we'll go parabolic. Why? All the media will come out and will say, well, look at Bitcoin. It's 100k. We'll go. Next target is 1 million. And the public will come in and will try to do something. Okay? But when the public is almost everyone is there, nobody is left to buy, what is happening with the price? Nothing special. Just logic. What is happening with the price if everyone bought and nobody is left to buy? Can someone in the chat tell me what will happen to the price? Doesn't matter what it is in the market. If everyone bought and nobody is left to buy, what will happen to that price? That is happening in a parabolic move. Everyone bought, everyone is too bullish, everyone buys, and at some point nobody is left to buy to push the price higher. And someone will not be diamond hands. Someone will say, well, Sebastian, sorry, you said something that YouTube is asking me if I should allow that message. Not going fucking zero, but the price will have to go down because some of the people say, well, it's enough, let's take some profit off. Nobody's left to buy. So the price will collapse as fast as pushed higher. Nothing special, nobody is doing anything, it's just that when everyone is in one direction, the price could not sustain itself. That's simple. Okay, so that's weekly. For the moment, well, we're in the overbought here, not bad. Some people say, well, look at this big one, this potential divergence on RSI. Well, people, for this one to confirm, we need to accept below 43 on RSI. And look at the OBV. OBV is telling a different story. Anyway, fighting this level, it's normal. If we'll accept above that level, the next one is here. Okay, so we'll have to stay here, fight this level, retest as a support 100k, and if everything is nice and clean, we can go to the next one. Next one is all the way up here. Seems far away now, but so as when I said the 20k, it's a buying opportunity. So as here in 69, that it's strong and will push higher. I don't know. I'll take it level by level. Stupid trader approach. Well, enough about higher time frame. That doesn't make us money for the moment. Let's see daily chart. Well, daily chart, clear rejection. Someone put a strong wall here at 100k. Well, it's enough. And now we're consolidating that level. Indicators. Well, we have confirmed bearish divergence on daily. So going back down on daily, going back down to retest 70,000. Nothing bad, but I don't know if we'll get so low. I could see the market stopping at in AED and something area. Yeah, I could see here forming another strong step there. It's up to the market. The strong support, it's at 69.72 indeed. Let's see if the market will accept below 85, 89, 90, 90 area here. If we'll accept below, then okay, we can retest, but that doesn't make anything bearish. Actually, it's even better to prepare for another step higher. So on daily, we have bearish divergence. RSI, it's out from the overbought. So at least on Bitcoin, you should cool your jets, like Brian used to say. Just, well, warning signs, let's wait a little bit. Let's not buy the top. Let's not be too aggressive. I'm a fan of shorting here? No. I'm a fan of hedging our spot portfolio with Bitcoin. Okay, now, that's Bitcoin on daily. Let's see Ethereum on daily. Well, different story. Now, Ethereum is looking a bit stronger than Bitcoin. You can see W breakout, kind of a retest, but strong. Doesn't want to even retest the W. And you see my drawings. I could see that happen. Bitcoin trying to fight 100k and Ethereum doing this. And straight up. Ethereum is a lot behind Bitcoin. And I think we'll recover at some point in time. Will happen today, tomorrow, next week, I don't know. Idea is that probably will recover. Nothing to do here. We have this AB equals CD move. The target, it's here. Target is here. On lower time frame, we have a trade. We took this W here and we are deep in profit. Okay? So nothing wrong with that. Okay, now let's see Bitcoin dominance. Well, we wanted to stop at 60. Well, it stopped at 60, at least for the moment. Not my perfect yam, like I said. Well, not every time it's perfect, but you can see clear rejection here. And if you put a line chart, it's almost a clear, yeah, I can see it. Double top here. I think we can push back at 60 to retest from underside as a resistance now. It's possible. Will be nice, yeah. So pushing here, let's take a drawing tool. Pushing somewhere in here in this area, and then breaking down. That will be nice for altcoins. Okay, that's my thinking now. We'll have to wait and see what will happen. We have bearish divergence on RSI, OBV, nothing special. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, we are waiting for the W. I don't know how it will form. I hope for something clear, but could be ugly. We are talking about Ethereum versus Bitcoin, so we'll see. But I'm waiting something like this here. Like I said, don't be bearish in this area. Not a good idea. And you can see violent moves up. Here we had a violent move. Here we have a violent move. It's not a good idea to be bearish there. Bullish divergence on RSI. Total market cap. Well, we accepted above 3 trillion. We have to test that level as a support. Simple. No? That's the all-time high. And we accepted above. Now we are retesting that level. Let's see if we'll hold. That means to retest. The market is going back and say, well, it's strong enough. Well, if it's strong enough, we'll go in the same direction. If it's not strong enough, we'll go back in the range. And market will test that here at this level. Total 2. We are in a short reload zone here. And probably we pushed straight up here. Remember, these levels wasn't far away. Was a couple of weeks ago when we discussed this level. Well, market is coiling up and will explode. Well, market exploded, but was a violent move and needs some cooling off, some retests, things like that. Okay? Simple. Total 3. Similar stuff. We discussed, well, if we'll accept above 662 billion, we'll explode, we'll go higher. Well, look at the move. But you cannot continue straight up. The market is not working straight up and straight down, and that's it. We need to cool off a little bit. We need to consolidate, retest some levels. Yes. Well, didn't accept above this high for the moment, but it's Tuesday morning. Come on, we have all the week to do that. Maybe even next week. But I'll tell you what, market is not looking bearish here. Like I said multiple times, people say, well, it's bearish. No, this YAM is just a retest, will produce a retest of this support. And well, that will make a higher low. And now we need a higher high to continue the uptrend. As simple as that. DXY, it's all over the place. Now it's between 105 and 110. I still expect short reload zone here at some point in time, sooner than later. We'll see. Now, that's the overview. Let's take a quick boo at the altcoins on weekly, my short list, which is not short anymore, seems like, weekly, just to see what we have. Yeah, people, if you want to invest, you can look at weekly and it's enough. You don't need to do anything else. You see a W on weekly, breakout and a retest, take it. But remember what you are. You are an investor. You don't have any business to look at 5-minute chart. You don't have any business to have emotions because the market dropped 5%. An investor has a long time horizon. In this case, it's shorter because we are anticipating the top of the market. So maybe your investment will produce nice results faster. But usually an investor has a time horizon between 2 to 5 years. So if you consider yourself an investor, you're buying on spot and you are, don't look at 5-minute chart. Actually, you should not be here. You should be only in the weekly crypto review, just getting an overview every Sunday. And goodbye. See you guys next week. Okay. Let's see. IXS, you can see where the retest should be. Come on, people, it's easy. I don't know if it will happen. If market will drop, but if it will drop, that's the level. right there. Let's put it with a, what color you want. Let's put it a green. Okay, green, and let's do it that way. Let's put it that way. Huh? It's good? No, it's not. I don't like it. I don't like it because I don't see it clearly. I want to see it. Okay. So that's approximately the level I want to buy. No? Feel. Similar thing. Not big, not a big deal. Look at this one. That's the level. Next one. Here. Well, I have a lot of drawings. What is here? Let's clean it up a little bit because I don't like it. Let's put something nicer. I don't like it. This one? No, this one then. Okay. This is a range. Okay, but we don't need the range anymore. The range will produce what will produce. What we can do here? Okay, let's think about. Well, the best case scenario will be 1.14. Yeah? Or 14 cents. 15 cents is a good level. Flow. Look at it. People, it's pretty simple. That's the level. Magic. That's the level where I have the entry. Well, deep in profit there. Deep. It's a strange way to say deep. W breakout, W break. Here it's a bit uglier to take it. If we are lucky and we'll get this level, okay. If not, draw a long reload zone from the bottom to the top here and wait at 61.8. RLC, simple. Where we should wait? Here. Why people are overcomplicating things? Look at the entry. Well, you can say, well, this one is too strong. This is the W. That's my level. Okay. This one. Well, market is strong. I should take it like a setup, but this is the level. Simple as that. Don't complicate nothing. Try to simplify things. Well, what is here? Well, technically the W is here. So buying this level will be buying 61.8 here. Well, not bad. You can put a limit order here, one here, make an average. Look at this one. Too many things on long reload zone. What is that? Let's just delete this one. We know we have location. What is this number? Well, this number is old. It's okay, but it's old. I don't need that. I just need to see the weekly W. There you go. At 61.8, you can see confluence. Put a limit order. Don't wait for the market and then to put a limit to buy it. It's wrong. You can see here. Similar. OMG. Why people are not just, well, I'll buy the weekly W. Yeah, just wait there. Mavia. Look at this one. It's breaking out now. I posted this one at entry. This is the W. This is the consolidation, breakout and retest. We'll go lower. Well, if you are a trader and you want a daily 4-hour chart and you are here every moment, like me, well, you'll not buy this level. You'll want this one, 1.5, you want to maximize. But overcomplicating is not a good thing in general. Look at this one. Just buy it at market. This one, sorry. It's just at exactly the level you want to buy. Loom. Similar. This one is deep in profit. You can see where that one should be. Look at this one. And almost everything looks the same. You cannot buy all the altcoins in the Binance. You can, but I don't see the point. But you can get the idea. I'll do the entire list. Similar. Well, honestly, being me, I'll take something like this. It's a support and resistance level and will be tested probably. Kava, look at this one. We already have the level. Yeah, let's put a new one. This is the level. You want to take the week high or you want to take the candle bodies? It's up to you. But in that area, we have this one. It's already in the market. You can get the idea. This one is slowly pushing higher. It's trying to accept. Well, from the market where we have the big W to the other W, we can find some entries here in this area. $2. Well, if we retest $2, that would be nice. We'll retest $2 depending on the rest of the market. We can retest the $2 level. Okay, now. ONT, simple. Similar stuff. Well, this is the last W. high. You can buy it at market. Look at it. That's the level. Zen. Well, here it's a bit more complicated. This is the big W. You want to enter here. Why people are just trying to do ugly stuff? This one is a bit too strong for my taste. I'll be honest. One is a bit too strong, and I'll prefer to do something like this if I'll do something on this one. Tia. Remember this chart, people. Andrei, you remember this chart? Up. Everyone was bullish, and I said, well, I'll wait here. It'll be a gift if we'll reach this level. Well, never reach that gift. Well, sorry. No gift for us. But anyway, we didn't chase the top here. You can see long reload zone. You can see the W's. That's the level. $6. Alt. It's at market, people. Alt, it's at market. Just look at W, weekly W's. This is the big W. It's what we waited for 3 fucking years. I was blabbing away here. Well, we need weekly W's. We need to consolidate more. Don't chase. The market is not ready to explode. Every time the market pumped, well, this one is a strange W, but it's there. So something like this. Alpha. Well, this is the original one. This is the higher one. If we're lucky, we'll get this level, then okay. Then look at it. We are in the environment we talked about 2 or 3 years. We did the road to financial freedom, talking only about, well, we need that weekly W. We have them now. What we are waiting? Look at this one. Now you can put a higher one if you want. At market. Well, let's do it. I still have some 8 minutes to talk about, so I think we can do all of them. Just drawing some levels. Weekly W, breakout, retest. Chasing here, not a good idea on anything. Don't chase. Just wait to the limit order. We'll never come back. Well, really? After all these years, you joined me and you stayed with me in weekly crypto review, and I showed you over and over again the market is coming back and retesting almost every time. Not every time. But you can get this one here or lower. Well, I don't know, people. Don't overcomplicate things. Take the weekly W. Look at this one. It's breaking out. Okay, strong. Okay, chase. No. I'll wait. Wait here. Be patient. Put a limit order. Get your entry. Put your hands under your ass and wait. It's simple as that. Why people are overcomplicating things, I don't get it, and I don't want to really know why they are doing that. Yeah? You are an investor? Well, be an investor then. You are a trader? Be a trader then. Simple. You want to be an investor and not a trader? Well, think like an investor when you are investing. Think like a trader when you are trading. I'm trying to do that. I don't know how a good job I do. I don't know. I think I'm doing an acceptable job. Look at this one. Nice W's, breakout retest, and that will form a weekly W and a nice LJ. Well, guys, that's my list. You can see it. And I spoke about it many times. I'll look at it from time to time because I want to tell you and post everywhere I can when I'll see the retest. Why? I'm here to help. I'm here. I made this community to help people. Win-win, you know my idea about how things should work. Win-win. So if I'll see the market here at the retest, I'll tell everyone multiple times. Buy. Yeah. We need people to stop shilling the top. We need more people to say, well, buy the weekly W's, buy the bottom, buy the retest of the fucking bottom. Not shilling the top and things like Tao and things like Ripple and things like. We need people to tell the public something real, something good, not only stupid things and take their money. We are complaining that the retailer is losing money, but nobody is putting a little effort to teach them. So we are trying to do just a little bit. This crypto space is full of influencer. I'm influencing. Well, what the fuck you are influencing? You are put your limit orders at the top and shield to your community to buy that top, and you are making money. Well, you are smart. Come on. You can make money trading. You can make more money buying the bottom and tell other people, well, people, look at it. Looks nice. I think it's a cleaner, nicer way to make money. Why I should shield you the top when I could tell you to buy the bottom and participate and make some money? In my view, win-win, it's the solution every time. Okay, so that's the idea on a higher time frame, on weekly. You can see Mavia, it's breaking out. I said on lower time frame, well, take this breakout. Okay, take it. If we'll reach 1-to-1, you can close some. Maybe we'll even go to sell half on a double. But probably we'll retest this level. You can see we are retesting now the week. You can see the top here, and we are retesting that. Will hold or not, I don't know. Okay, let's see the comments. Okay, let's go on a lower time frame. Short, I don't want to do too many things here. Straight up here, 100k, we rejected, we emmed out, we broke down. We broke down here and we pushed back in the short reload zone here. And here we saw that Sailor Moon is just announced that he bought 52k Bitcoin. And if he bought 52, who the fuck is left to buy and push the price higher? Nobody, or almost nobody. The public is not here. Sailor Moon already bought. So hedging my portfolio was the logical solution here. I'm not shorting, I'm hedging my portfolio. It's a difference. Why? I'll calculate the position size. If Bitcoin will go, I approximate how much altcoins could go down if, for example, Bitcoin will go to 70k. And I'm trying to short and compensate that loss on my spot portfolio, depending on how much you have on spot, depending on multiple things. So it's not, you cannot hedge 100%. You cannot eliminate the risk, never. You can mitigate a little bit. So altcoins maybe will go down, Bitcoin will go down also and will give me some profit, and what is dropping on spot portfolio is compensated by the short on Bitcoin. And that means my portfolio will not drop. My portfolio will stay the same. Okay? It's like a assurance. If something will happen, this will compensate me. Assurance for your car, for your house, for your, you get the idea. And you pay, as any insurance, you pay a price. If your idea is wrong and the market is pushing higher, you'll take the stop loss here. But you're glad to take the stop loss because the rest is pumping. Okay? I don't know if I explained nice and clear, or you understand what I'm thinking with the hedge here. So, my idea was, you can see this could be, you can see YAM and then pushing higher. This could be acceptable. It's not the best level. I could take this one. I could take this one. It's not a clear level, but it's good enough for me. I took this swing low, swing high, and I said market usually has to test the 61.8. Look at Confluence here. That's why my target is here. Okay? And we dropped down. We bounced a little bit, and I think we can test this level. 92 at least. That's my thinking. Now, well, at least RSI, it's trying to do some bullish divergence here. You can see it. Okay? But trying to do a bullish divergence and price reversing, it's a different thing. I'm still hedging short. I bought some altcoins. I moved my stop to scratch pretty fast. Overnight, I don't like to keep too many trades open. I want to sleep like a baby. When I'll see clear reversal signs, probably after 61.8, I'll be more aggressive hunting long ideas on altcoins. The rest of the market, well, we can look on 4-hour chart really quick. And let's see. TIA. Well, on TIA we had the holy grail on 50-minute chart. Yeah. And we should be, let me see. I think I'm out from one of these. Come on. Well, TI is still valid. You can see we enter here, stop loss here, and we are still. Stop loss is at entry. So we cannot lose money. That's good. If Bitcoin will not drop like a hammer, this one could pump. Now, IEVO, we have kind of the same. Ripple, you can see the market is not in an uptrend anymore. It's going sideways, it's consolidating. Don't use the holy grail when you see the market like this. Just leave it alone. Wait for higher highs and higher lows. Now, back on 4-hour chart. Dimension. I could still hope. You look at this one, it's forming an M. I could still hope to see 61.8. Secret. Well, AB equals CD completed. The third one is a trap. I don't, probably with bearish divergence, you can see. Well, look at this. Yeah. So don't chase here. Don't be that guy is buying the last. Tau. It's all over the place. We bought this W in the long reload zone. Yeah, we almost reached the target. I took some profit off. Okay, it is, but it's all over the place. It's ugly. Don't try to go on lower time frame because we'll stop you out. The wicks and tails are ugly here on Tau. Not easy to trade below 4-hour chart. Ethereum, if you remember this W, and I said, well, this is the level. My target is still valid here, people. I said it yesterday and I'll say it again. A, B, C, D is pointing out here. Take some partial, okay. Move your stop at scratch, well, okay. Keep the trade, hoping that will reach the target ultimately, at least part of it. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. As long as I don't see Bitcoin stopping from the drop, nothing I can do. A, B, C, D. So let's wait a little bit. See what happens today. Let's wait for a W on Bitcoin on 1 hour or even lower. But 1 hour, I think it's good enough. That's my thinking. Yeah? So Bitcoin 1 hour. Let's put 1 hour here. If we'll get in the long reload zone, even better. Let's put a classic long reload zone here. Yeah? If Bitcoin will get here and will make a W in 1 hour chart, well, then I could say it. You can see on 1 hour we have just a dead cat bounce, not a W. Market is pushing lower. Well, okay. I need a W. And then I could be more aggressive on altcoins. If this support at 90k will not hold, you know what's the next, no? Let's not talk about that. Let's not scare the price. Well, someone said about a request. I'll take that and then I'll call it a live stream. I saw one. AR on daily and weekly. Okay. Yeah, it's all over the place here. No clear weekly W on AR, unfortunately. No, I could clean all these levels. We can see what I see here. We should draw a long reload zone from the top to the bottom. We have location. This is not, I cannot consider this one a weekly W. So we can form a weekly W. We can consolidate. This one needs to consolidate a little bit more. Form that W and then push higher. So I'm not chasing. I don't think it's a good idea to chase. Didn't form a clear bottom yet. You saw the difference what I have on Mavia, for example. Look at Mavia and look at what you asked me. Yeah? It's not the same. We need that consolidation. So now on weekly, let's see daily. Well, on daily at least we are trying. Yeah? You can see AB equals CD is completed. We had a bot setup here playing out. We need to consolidate more, in my opinion. Just my opinion. Well, guys, Cas, and that's the last one. Stefan will do a live stream, so you can go in half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour. You can go and put Stefan on the line, and ask him about higher time frame altcoins. Let's see CAS. And that's the last one. Maxi. What do you want to do here? What do you want to do here? You want to buy here? And even if you shoot me, I'll not buy CAS here. Why? Could go higher? Of course you can. I'll buy it. No. Look at the M's here. Look where they started. It's bullish, okay. If I manage to get a position here, okay, but I'm not chasing here. It's impossible for me to get a position here. What is that? 2022. Well, if it's strong, will go without me, so be it. I could trade it. I could find a trade on lower time frame. But for me to chase it there it's impossible. Daily. Probably here in the last push up, we have bearish divergence. Well, not quite. Could push higher. Maybe. It's strong. I could see that, but I'm not chasing. That's the idea. Yeah. So, nothing I can do there. Well, what would be a good entry? Well, they have to have some bad news, something to happen to push them back down here in this area. If something will happen, will push them back, I don't know, below 10 cents. The best levels will be here in this area. You can see alt reload zone. Let me show you alt reload zone. That is my entry. I don't know if the market will reach there. I don't want to give you hopes. Let's do this one. No, this one. Yeah, come on. This one. Yeah, and I could remove the 61.8 just to be. That's the altcoin reload zone, and you can see the support is there. If I put the volume profile, you'll see. Even if the market traded a little bit here, not too much time, the big volume is here. Okay, just look at it. So it's impossible for me to chase it there. But be warned that volume is calculated, I think, in coins, not in dollars. So, anyway. Chasing, no. This is the green area for me. You can see the support. And at some point in time, sooner or later, the market will retest this level. Mark my words. Okay. Stefan will do a live stream, day trading with Stefan as usual, in 20 minutes, half an hour, 10:30, I think. So join Stefan. Usually he's speaking about lower time frame, but you can ask him even on higher time frame his opinion. He has enough experience to talk about higher time frame. Yeah, so you can join Stefan, ask him some questions, be active in the chat, leave him a like. Yeah. Keep in mind, we are not influencer people. We are just traders that we are trying to help our community. We are not here to shield you tops and yeah. An influencer, for example, here will say, well, come on, buy it. No. Could go and do an AB equals CD here and go to all the way up. Okay. Could go 10x. Okay, but I'm not chasing. It's just me. My plan says don't fucking chase. Stupid idea. Okay, people. That being said, let's call it a live stream. This time we have a VIP here, so if you want to join VIP, you're more than welcome. You have to pass questions from Stefan. We have a nice offer, December plus January, at a nice price. It's open until 5 December, so you can still join. You still have time. More than welcome to do so if you can. You have experience. If you are a beginner, nothing you can do on VIP. It's too fast and could do you more harm than good. Okay? Let's call it a live stream. See you guys next time in the New York session if you are premium, and tomorrow morning with the same video if not. See you guys.